Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to fix app crashing issues on iOS 26 using iPhone. If app keep crashing, closing or freezing, follow these steps. Let's get started. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause all the apps that trigger. Find the app that crashing, swipe it up and off the screen to close it completely. Now reopen the app and check if it's working normally. Next, press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to off. If wait for 20 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clear temporary system bugs that cause app to crash. Open the App Store, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and check for update. If the crashing app has an update, tap update. App updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space. If storage is almost full, delete unused app, photo or videos. Low storage can cause app to crash frequently. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.